Our body is a delicate combination, so we must take proper care of our health. We should also be careful about the intake of cholesterol with a view to escalating our health to equilibrium. The question is, which of the following does the passage suggest by inscribing equilibrium? Now, if we see choice A, we can say that of course a healthy life is desired by all, but here nothing is regarding to desire anything. Rather, the way we can provide healthy life regarding cholesterol is inscribed above, so the choice A is wrong. Now, if we look at choice B, we can see that consciousness is needed to be taken care of and be healthy, but in this passage, cholesterol is focused as a concern to achieve a healthy life by its gradual intake, with leading a healthy life with ample caring. So choice B is also incorrect in a sense of relevance. The passage has no information about the kinetics or kinetic system of body or blood. In that case, we can take choice C as a correct answer. On the other hand, choice E is incorrect because the passage does not represent anything that denotes the state of being stopped, which is so absurd with respect to the passage, as our body needs cholesterol at a certain amount. Choice D is correct. Because the word escalating means a gradual development towards a state of stability that denotes the equilibrium of health with a healing power. So the correct answer is choice D.